Hi, I'm Natasha Denona. I want to introduce you my new mini Bloom highlighting blush, which is inspired by the iconic Bloom Blush and Glow palette. It comes in a one pan and is an extended shade to the Bloom palette. This light diffusing highlighter blush flatters every skin tone, from cool toned to warm, from fair to deep. The concept of this formula is very versatile. You can use it as a blush or as a highlighter or both. For a shimmering blush look, apply to the apples of the cheeks using a fluffy blush brush. To wear it as a highlighter, apply it on the highest points of your cheekbones, very close to the hairline, and then softly drag it and blend it inwards. It is formulated with a special combination of hyaluronic acid and tropical oil to help penetrate through the skin barrier.